हेलो फ्रेंड, माय नेम इज़ निशा एंड स्वागत है आपका साईं ज्ञान सागर में। तो हम कर रहे हैं जनरल हिंदी के क्वेश्चन, जनरल इंग्लिश के क्वेश्चन, डीएसएसबी के प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन है। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। दिव्या हैज़ नो कॉन्फिडेंस इन हर एम्प्लॉयज़। दिव्या हैज़ नो कॉन्फिडेंस इन हर एम्प्लॉयज़, तो इन आएगा इसके अंदर। She did not hesitate even dash a moment before selecting the dress on her choice. She did not hesitate even for a moment before selecting the dress of choice. Naturally quiet, and some people are, other than speaking, enjoy listening while. Some people are naturally quiet. BA. Some people are naturally quiet and enjoy listening, while some people are and enjoying listening while other people are speaking. Some people are quite naturally quiet and enjoy listening which other people are speaking. Are ancient original the game we now play. Most of the games we now play are ancient and origin. Tanvika is a shorter but she taller than Ritika. Tanvika is shorter but taller than Ritika. Do you think he is the right person to be made the Chief Minister of the state? Do you think he is the right person to be made the Chief Minister? She said that I had to see the doctor for following week. She said that I had to see the doctor the following week. She said you have to see the doctor next week. The person whom we went to consult the senior lawyer. The person whom we were to consult a senior lawyer in the court. Whom we went. Robot can speak 3 languages frequently. 3 languages can be spoken frequently by a robot. An interview is excellent opportunity for candidate to project himself or herself before the employer. An interview is an excellent opportunity for candidate to project himself or herself before the employer. When I entered the room, it was dark, so I lit a match. When I entered the room, it was dark, so I lit a match. To think that computer they cannot be can think like people, it is a very misleading. It is a very misleading to think that computer can think like a people, they cannot. The superintendent of examination told us that dash and he could start writing after the bell rang. The superintendent of the examination had told us that nothing was the matter and we could start writing after the bell rang. Nothing was the matter. He led to massive industrialization to the environmental serious pollution. Massive industrialization too has led to serious pollution of the environmental. Sharia is hard work and perseverance paid rich deviant his employer give him the promotion. Perseverance. Some clever step take by the chairman have to ensure that the company get brisk business. Some clever step taken by the chairman have ensured the company get brisk business. Does that mean that you are against economic liberalization in the country and want more control. Does means that you are against economic liberalization in the country that want more control. Had in glove. Had in glove. In close association with, unable to keep with up a friend, trying to keep away from the infection, wearing warm clothes, in closed association with, hand in glove, in close association with. Seeing the dash error in the report, editor shouted at the trainee correspondent. Seeing the glaring error, glaring, seeing the glowing to glamming, glazing, glaring error in the report. The tourist industry in India bring in a considerable foreign exchange. This winter the tree was devoted of any granary.